Hello everyone, and welcome. Glowing Star. Today, we are going to start with energy, focus, and no distractions. In a moment, you will see an image that we will describe using basic, intermediate, and advanced English. This will help you improve your vocabulary, listening, and speaking skills step by step. At the end of each level, we will learn new vocabulary words and their meanings to expand your English even more. Get ready to learn, practice, and enjoy the process. Let's begin right now. Basic English. The determined Olympic swimmer. The young woman in the swimming pool is preparing for an important Olympic competition. She trains every day because she wants to become one of the best swimmers in the world. Her face shows strong determination and focus. She knows that success comes from hard work, discipline, and practice. Every morning, she wakes up early and goes to the pool. She spends many hours improving her speed, strength, and technique. The water splashes around her as she moves forward with confidence. She never gives up, even when training becomes difficult. Her dream is to win a gold medal and represent her country with pride. She understands that every practice session helps her get closer to her goal. The swimmer believes in herself and works hard to achieve excellence. Her dedication inspires other young athletes to follow their dreams. She proves that with effort, patience, and determination, anything is possible. Vocabulary. Swimmer. Competition. Determination. Focus. Practice. Speed. Strength. Technique. Goal. Dedication. Intermediate English. The journey toward Olympic excellence. Standing at the edge of greatness, the talented swimmer demonstrates the qualities required to compete at the Olympic level. Her intense concentration reflects years of training, sacrifice, and commitment. Every movement in the water is carefully controlled, showing her dedication to continuous improvement. Swimming is more than a sport for her, it is a lifelong passion. She follows a demanding schedule that includes physical conditioning, technical practice, and mental preparation. Through countless hours of effort, she has developed the strength and endurance necessary to compete against the world's best athletes. Challenges are an unavoidable part of her journey. There are moments of exhaustion, disappointment, and frustration. However, she views these obstacles as opportunities to grow stronger. Her positive attitude allows her to remain focused on her objectives. As she moves powerfully through the water, she represents determination and perseverance. Her ambition is not only to achieve personal success but also to inspire others to pursue their dreams with confidence. This athlete reminds us that excellence is achieved through consistency, resilience, and unwavering dedication. Vocabulary. Greatness. Commitment. Improvement. Passion. Conditioning. Endurance. Exhaustion. Obstacles. Perseverance. Resilience. Advanced English. The pursuit of athletic greatness through discipline and vision. Within the highly competitive world of elite sports, the Olympic swimmer symbolizes the extraordinary combination of discipline, ambition, and mental fortitude required to achieve excellence. Her unwavering focus reflects years of meticulous preparation and an enduring commitment to personal and professional growth. Each training session represents an opportunity to refine her technique, enhance her physical capabilities, and strengthen her psychological resilience. Rather than perceiving challenges as barriers, she embraces them as valuable experiences that contribute to her development as an athlete. This mindset distinguishes exceptional competitors from ordinary participants. Dedicated effort. The swimmer understands that remarkable achievements are rarely the result of talent alone. Success emerges from consistency, sacrifice, and the willingness to persevere despite setbacks. Every stroke through the water demonstrates precision, confidence, and determination, illustrating the culmination of countless hours of dedicated effort. Beyond the pursuit of medals and recognition, her journey carries a deeper significance. She serves as a powerful example for aspiring athletes who seek inspiration and motivation. Her story illustrates that meaningful accomplishments are built upon courage, discipline, and an unwavering belief in one's potential. Ultimately, her pursuit of Olympic glory represents more than athletic achievement. It embodies the universal human desire to surpass limitations, embrace challenges, and transform dreams into reality through dedication and perseverance. Vocabulary: fortitude, meticulous, enduring. Capabilities: psychological resilience, mindset, persevere, setbacks, aspiring, accomplishments, potential, dedication. Great job today, glowing star. Today, you made progress, and if you continue practicing like this every day, you will become better and more confident in English step by step. Remember, every small effort brings you closer to your goals. Keep learning, keep improving, and never give up. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today. I'll see you in the next video, specially made for you. Rocket.